Today's message is those for all those people who consider others to be very happy and consider themselves to be the most unhappy and unlucky person in the world. There lived a boy in a village who was very troubled with his life because he was working in a small factory while he was earning a little from good, but his trouble was due to the happiness of others' pupil life. He wanted to earn a lot of money and fulfill all his hobbies like his friend and relatives. He was not happy with the happiness of his life. He was unhappy with the happiness going on in the lives of others. One day he became very upset because some friend was taking the car, some friend was going on a trip abroad. He also wanted to enjoy all the happiness in life like them. He also wanted to live the life of a rich man like them all. He was troubled seeing all these people. Then one day he went to his master and say, "Why should master be the most unhappy person in this world? All my people are very happy. They are enjoying all the pleasure of their life. Why is there so much sorrow and hardship in my life?" Then the master laughed and said, "I will tell you a mantra by which you will remain happy throughout life like this, and whatever you wish is, it will be fulfilled. But before knowing this magical mantra, you have to do one thing. Whichever person you consider very lucky, you feel that he was living very happily in his life, ask that person the reason for his happiness. Tell me what to do, then I will give your magical mantra." That boy said that he is right. I have come to know him. He first goes to a friend's house. He asks him that you have roamed so much. Whenever I have seen you roaming somewhere and living somewhere, you are living the life of your mind. What is the secret of yours happy life? Tell me also. That boy's friend said, "I am deeply saddened by the happiness that you are seeing because I have not been home for 5 years, have not seen my parents or family for a years. I have been so busy with the work that now I am fed up with life." That boy left from there and now he goes to another friend's place. He tells him that you are enjoying all the happiness of your life. You have bought a new car. You are so lucky. Tell me the secret of being happy. That friend said, "I am looking happy to you, but I am broken from inside because of this life, because I bought this car for my son so that he would not go to work outside. Now, what will I do with this house or car if I am staying here alone?" The boy has gone away from there after listening to his friend. The boy goes to the house of all his friends and relatives one by one, but everyone is upset with his life. Someone is upset with his wife and someone is upset with his child. Then he goes to his master or tell him the whole story. Then the master says, "You are there with everyone. What did everyone says?" The voice does not know anything, but the master saying that no person in this world is happy with his life. There are certain moments in everyone's life which we don't know about. We all seeing other people's beautiful faces or think about their pure life, but we do not know the truth. So look not at other but at yours. Concentrate on yourself about your own life. Compare with others. Life is your journey. Change your path while looking at other. The voice says that you could have told me this earlier also. The master says that if I had told you this earlier, then you would not have listened to my words carefully. When you don't know the truth, so don't believe anything as true. That's why I send you to ask the secret of happiness in your life. The boy remembers the teacher's word and focus on himself and not on the lives of others.